Ever wonder if your car could pay for its own gas while you're asleep? Meet Peaq, the crypto project trying to make machines earn and spend money all on their own. That's right, devices like EVs, robots, and drones making autonomous payments on the blockchain. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's not. I'm Shay. Welcome to Deciphering Crypto, where we simplify blockchain and crypto so even I can understand it. Today, we're diving deep into Peaq, a layer 1 blockchain designed for the machine economy, blending AI, Internet of Things, and crypto to power a future where your devices can act and transact. Peaq is like the crypto operating system for smart devices. It gives machines from cars to delivery drones their own digital wallets and IDs, letting them interact and pay each other autonomously. Imagine your EV finds a nearby charging station, plugs in, and pays automatically through the Peaq network. That's the kind of world Peaq is building, and it's already powering real apps like MapMetrics, a crypto-powered navigation app that rewards you for sharing traffic data, and Silencio, which pays users for measuring real-world noise pollution using their phones. Peaq combines blockchain and Internet of Things to create a decentralized network of machines that can interact and transact without relying on middlemen or centralized platforms. It's the backbone of the movement called DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. Think of DePIN as Uber or Airbnb, but without the company in the middle. The machine or device does the work and gets paid directly. Peaq is the infrastructure enabling this shift. Let's talk about 3 key features. First, machine IDs and autonomy. Every device on Peaq gets an on-chain identity and wallet, kind of like a digital license plate and bank account on one. It lets devices authenticate themselves, make payments, and prove data is real, all without human intervention. It's like giving your Roomba a Venmo account. Next, high speed and micro fees. Peaq is engineered for scale. It targets over 100,000 transactions per second and transaction fees under a fraction of a cent. It makes it ideal for micropayments. Think of drones paying per second to fly through airspace, or cars paying for tolls on the fly. Compared to Ethereum's gas fee, it's night and day difference. This low cost opens the door for billions of transactions between devices. Third, real token utility. The Peaq token isn't just speculative, it has multiple core functions. Pay for network fees, stake for rewards and network security, vote on governance proposals, power decentralized apps and access premium features. Plus, Peaq launched the Get Real campaign to reward early users with 210 million tokens. That means you can start earning just by using apps on the network. Let's look ahead at what's coming on the roadmap. In Q2 and Q3 of 2025, Elastic scaling upgrade to hit 65,000 transactions per second on the mainnet. Mid-2025, launch of Machine DeFi Suite with a dedicated DEX, Launchpad, and cross-chain tools. Late 2025, Peaq native stablecoin and machine money markets. Think robot lending robot. And ongoing user experience upgrades with Portal V2, full launch of the Get Real campaign, and enterprise expansion. This roadmap shows they're building not just infrastructure, but an entire economy. Let's talk about what it's like as a beginner. The main way to use Peaq is through Peaq Portal, a simple dashboard where you can connect a wallet, stake tokens, and join reward quests. These Get Real quests walk you through using Peaq-powered apps like collecting traffic or sound data. They feel more like achievements in a game than crypto tasks. Even if you've never used Polkadot before, the guides and community support make onboarding pretty smooth. Now let's talk about the revenue model. Peaq's revenue is volume-based. As more machines transact, network fees accumulate. These fees are shared with validators, fund community and development grants, and fuel future rewards. The protocol made about $44,000 in fees last quarter, small now, but growing fast. They also raised $35 million from Animoca and Borderless Capital, and over 30,000 users via CoinList. Security-wise, Peaq is rock solid. 98 out of 100 CertiK audit score, over 130 validators for decentralization, ongoing testing and bug bounty programs, and no major hacks or outages to date. Plus, the team is public, open source, and active in the community. That builds trust. Let's talk about community and credibility. Peaq has over 300,000 followers on Twitter and about 150,000 members on Discord, and a community that creates guides, memes, and tutorials. They're also backed by big names like Bosch, MasterCard, Airbus, and Animoca brands. That gives them both Web3 and real-world traction. A quick look at Tokenomics. 4.2 billion total supply, about 950 million circulating right now, or roughly about 23%. The rest vests gradually through 2026. Inflation starts at 3.5% annually, tapering to 1%. There's no hidden taxes or sketchy mechanics. The token is available on major exchanges like KuCoin, Gate, and Crypto.com. Easy to buy, stake, and use. So what's the final verdict? Peaq is bold, it's early, and it might be one of the most visionary projects in the AI, blockchain, and Internet of Things space. It has real apps, real partners, and a real community. But it's not without risk. Scaling adoption and market timing will be key. It's definitely a project worth keeping on your radar. Would you trust your devices to earn crypto for you? Drop a comment. I want to know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this breakdown, check out some of my other 90 reviews and give me your feedback.